Welcome to the BioBalance Healthcast, episode 713. Dr. Maupin's Health Recipe.
BioBalance Healthcast features conversations about anti-aging medicine. Your host is Dr. Kathy Maupin, Medical Director of BioBalance Health and a leading expert in treating symptoms of aging. Dr. Maupin is the author of The Secret Female Hormone, the seminal work about testosterone replacement therapy for women, and Got Testosterone, the award-winning book for men that helps men choose the most effective and safe form of testosterone replacement. These books are available on Amazon or from Dr. Maupin's office at BioBalance Health in St. Louis and in Kansas City. Dr. Maupin's office is currently accepting new patients.
Welcome to the BioBalance Healthcast. I'm Dr. Kathy Maupin, and today we're going to talk about my health recipe, how I take care of myself. And that's important because I think doctors should take care of themselves like they tell their patients to take care of themselves. I mean, I think it's just ironic that a doctor would be 200 pounds overweight and then tell a patient to lose weight. I think that's not honest. But so I try to follow the same types of things that I tell my patients to get healthy. And they're tried and true. I'm 71. I've been following these routines ever since I stopped delivering babies and was running around without sleep. And but most of my routines, I've been exercising with weights since I was in residency program. So, I mean, that's a really long time, 40 plus years. So, I'm going to tell you what I do. The biggest thing that I think I did for my health, when I was 47, my ovaries were removed, and I immediately started to age. I mean, I gained weight. I was fatigued. I had brain fog. I was totally miserable. I lost my balance. It was everything you see in somebody who's 20 years or 30 years older than I was. And I had to search for an answer, and I found an answer with Gino Totera. He treated me and then trained me and my staff to provide what had brought my life back. And when I got testosterone and estrogen pellets, I literally felt like I was back at 35 years old and healthy. I lost the weight. Everything that I had noticed as changes of aging went away. And I have felt 35 ever since. Honestly, things happen. I mean, you can have falls. I have a shoulder because I fell, but I didn't break a bone. I just tore some ligaments. So things like that can happen. Nobody's immune to accidents. But when you lose your hormones, it changes your life. And both men and women change personality, change everything. So when you get it back, you go back to who you used to be. I never try to change any of my patients. I want them to be who they always were. One of the other things besides pellets every 3 to 4 months is I have been weight training and stretching since at Fitness Edge, which is a training facility with Cassie, in the last 15 years. But before that, 40 years, I have been at that same facility working out with weights, working out with a trainer, and stretching before and after I work out. I think that is vital to my health, my bones, my weight, my mental health, and I do it with my husband. So we both are there training together, so it's a combined exercise. So I think that's actually adds to it. The third thing I did that I thought was, one is not more important than the other, I don't think, except for maybe the pellets. But the third thing I did was a few years ago, I had insulin resistance. I couldn't lose the last 12 pounds. And then they came out with Zepbound and Wegovy. So I lost 12 pounds. And now I'm at my ideal weight, which for somebody who's 5'2" is about 114, 115, depends on the day. But 114, 100 can look different on everybody. You can have a lot more fat or a lot less fat. You can have more muscle. It just looks different individually on people. But I got down to my ideal weight and a healthy weight, which then took a lot of strain off my joints. And so when I exercise, I don't have the same kind of aching afterwards. So that's really important. I have the next secret in order is that I've used supplements to my diet ever since I was 5. My mother was a believer in supplements, vitamin C, vitamin D, probiotics, fiber. I mean, I had a handful of supplements, not drugs, supplements, every day of my life, and I still do that because she was right. How often do you hear, does a mother hear that they were right? But she was right. You just can't eat enough of the foods every day in an American diet with American work and taking care of your kids and I'm not taking care of my kids now, but I was, and trying to work and trying to be social and trying to be a wife. You just can't do that. You have to supplement your diet. So I have taken, I believe that vitamin D is vital and probiotics are vital, but also there are many other vitamins and minerals that you may be missing, and you're integrated medicine doctor like me can help you find out what you need. You also need electrolytes when you work out. It stopped me from being tired after workouts. It stopped me from having muscle aches. Just taking in electrolytes when I would usually drink water, I just drink water with electrolytes. So all of those things in terms of supplements to your diet are important. However, diet is really important. And since my husband retired, we're a lot more attuned to healthy food, fresh fish, fresh grass-fed beef. We always have a protein for breakfast and dinner and sometimes for lunch. We always have a salad every day. That's really important for lots of reasons, but you have to feed your microbiome. You take a probiotic, you have to feed it salad. Raw vegetables is what the bacteria want, and to stay healthy, that's what they need. So they provide me with my neurotransmitters so I can think, my dopamine so I can be happy, my serotonin so I'm not depressed. That's what those little bacteria do for you. So taking a probiotic and eating a salad every day goes together. We have been very good about eating whole foods, not foods out of a bag, not foods that you microwave, but actually cooking. And that has made all the difference in terms of our nutrition. Okay, this seems like something that spoiled people do. I am spoiled. I spoil myself because I want to stay healthy. But my husband and I have a massage every week for an hour. And the purpose of that is to realign our bodies so that we're not like walking around like this because we lifted something the wrong way. We get realigned and all of our lymph system gets massaged so that it is moving all the toxins out of our body. But also when we have any kind of muscle spasm, tight muscles, our masseuse Tony is in there breaking up the kind of, it's not scar tissue, but it's like inflammatory tissue around the muscle, and to break it up, to loosen up the muscle so it isn't spasming. That can throw off your gait, your ability to walk. It can give you pain so that you won't go exercise. Pain is a great leveler. If you have pain, you can rarely do anything. So it's really important to get out of pain, and that's what we get out of our massage. Most of us don't take time for prayer and meditation, and I can't say that every day I do that, but I try to. Prayer and meditation, knowing where you are in the universe, realizing that it's not all about you, realizing it's about whatever you were called to do and trying to do it the best way is really important, having a relationship between you and God. So prayer and meditation centers you. it actually has a physical response in your body. It relaxes you. It calms that anxiety that you have. It's very important. Everybody should spend some time doing that. My secret is that I've loved every job I've ever had, no matter, I was a Kelly girl and I can't type, it was hard, but I loved it. I was a babysitter for a long time. I worked for the Royals, I worked for the Chiefs, so I lived in Kansas City. Every job I ever had, whether it was just cleaning up or taking somebody coffee, I loved it. I love the job I have now. It was what I was made for. So loving the job that you do, doing it well, and seeing yourself as an instrument of being positive and doing a good job is always really important, and that actually feeds back to your health. Last but not least, I get my skin care at BioBalance Skin, and I'm luckier than 99% of the population because I have my own spa. And I have facials. I have aqua gold, which is it's like a microneedling with injection of Botox and filler. I get to have M-Sculpt, so it helps my stomach be tight and look good. It helps my core strength. I have the advantage of having that anytime I want it. I just have to have enough time to go do that. And it's delightful. It makes you feel better about yourself to look in the mirror and see that you look healthier. And getting all the dead skin off your face is always really pleasant. And it feels good when you can look in the mirror and not think that you're as old as you are. So get your blood tests, get your mammogram, get your bone density, get all the tests that tell us that you're healthy, to just reaffirm that you're healthy. And those are my secrets. And loving your family and your spouse is also another secret that really supports you throughout your life. So I hope that this gave you an idea that it can be done, and that it does turn out to keep you healthier throughout your lifetime. Thanks for listening.
Email your questions or comments to podcast@biobalancehealth.com. You can find the BioBalance Healthcast on iTunes and on YouTube. For more information about bioidentical hormone pellet therapy and other reverse aging solutions, visit biobalancehealth.com or call 314-993-0963. You can find Dr. Maupin on Twitter @Dr. Kathy Maupin and on Facebook at facebook.com/biobalancehealth.